Today, I'm going to pack for our 17-day trip to Italy in just a carry-on. I'll share the outfits that I'll be wearing, along with how I'm fitting them all in the carry-on, and everything I do in the week leading up for the trip to make things less stressful. Several weeks before I take any trip, I do a closet audit. I check the weather for the area we'll be traveling, along with thinking about any activities that we'll be doing. And then I start to build outfits around a simple color palette so I can mix and match different things. I like to do this well in advance, so if I do need to purchase anything, I have plenty of time to order and receive any new pieces. Then about a week in advance, I'll check the weather again to see if I have all of the appropriate layers. Also, about a week before, I really focus on logistics. I will make printed copies of our passports, any reservations or tickets that have been booked, and travel insurance. I will also charge any electronics and download any movies or TV shows that I would like on my phone for the travel days. Because I'm trying to fit 2.5 weeks into a carry-on, I was extra intentional about what I am packing. I made these outfit cards on Canva that I added to a photo album that I can reference throughout the trip. The template I used I got from a creator. I'll leave her info down below. I am going to have access to laundry about halfway through our trip, so I'm really just packing enough for 8 days and then I will wash everything. So this is everything I am bringing. Starting with what I'm wearing to the airport, I have a denim jacket, a light sweatshirt and a t-shirt, and then some black joggers. And then this is everything that will go into the carry-on. Starting with tops, I have 3 t-shirts from Quince. I have a brown one, a black one, and I'll also be packing a white t-shirt. I have this white blouse and this striped light knit sweater. I have 3 different dresses I'll be packing. I have this embroidered dress here from Cezanne. This shift gingham dress is from Quince. And then this red dress is from Abercrombie. I'm packing 3 different skirts. They are all from Quince. So I have this white maxi skirt, this khaki linen skirt. I have this black linen skirt. I also have a pair of black linen drawstring pants, and I have a pair of black linen drawstring shorts. For layers, along with this denim jacket, I have this navy cardigan from H&M, and then this light blue Quince cardigan. And for accessories, I have a few different scarves. I have 2 of them with me. They're both blue. I have this one and this one here. And then for shoes, I have this pair of Dr. Scholl's that I will be wearing on the plane. And then these sandals are from FitFlop. They are super comfortable. I will link them down below. The only other thing that's going in my carry-on is this Samsonite duffel bag. This we will use on the way home for any souvenirs. So here is everything all packed up. On this left-hand side, I have blouses, cardigans, and the silk scarves. And then on the other side, I have skirts, pants, dresses, and the foldable duffel bag. So if you're nervous about packing light, here are a few things that may help. You can always do laundry halfway through the trip. You can re-wear outfits, no one cares. And less stuff equals less stress, especially when you're contending with cobblestone streets. So that is everything I'm bringing for my 2.5 week trip to Italy in just a carry-on, and how I prep the week before to make travel smooth and stress-free. If this was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. We will be vlogging the entire trip, so stay tuned for that. And thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.